Hello, good morning, good evening. I would like to share three reasons of the flood in the past. Number one, wickedness of the people. Their decisions were based on fleshly choice rather than the will of God. Number two, corruption. Marrying, for example, with the sons of men, that would open the door for idolatry. Number three, they live without the thought of God and a disbelief. This cruel way of life was evil and front of God. So what happened today? The flood is a picture of future judgment of God on earth. What should we do? Let's answer by one verse in Ephesians chapter 2, verse 10. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. May God bless you.